Hello, good morning, Hana. I'm Sabrina Sasabila. Thank you for attending this interview. How are you doing?
Morning, Ma'am Sabrina. I'm doing really well. It's such a nice day out there.
Uh, it is was perfect weather all weekend.
It was.
All right. So to get started, could you tell me about yourself? Uh, and briefly describe your background.
Okay, thank you, ma'am, for giving me the opportunity. First of all, I would like to introduce myself again. My name is Hana Nabilah. I was in environmental engineering graduate of the University of Gajah Mada on the predicate cum laude in 2017. I currently live in Bekasi. While still studying in semester 5, I did an internship at the Multi-Hana Kreasindo company, where the company was engaged in battery and non-battery waste management for 3 months. Then, after graduating from college, I worked at PDAM Bekasi as a water quality maintainer for 2 years, where in the first year I worked, I was promoted to the team leader for the water quality maintenance group. I'm a person who is able to work in a team and be a leader in a group. I'm able to work quickly in the job that I face. Besides that, I'm a person who is used to always growing and I'm not comfortable with settling. I'm proficient in operating Microsoft Word and Excel. I'm able to count quickly to solve calculation problems in my line of work.
Okay. How did you hear about this position?
I heard about a job vacancy in this position from my old friend Fadia Lutfia that the company PT Sinde Budi Sentosa is opening job vacancies for HSE staff. She advised me to apply here because my experience as an apprentice in processing battery waste previously could have PT Sinde Budi Sentosa in handling the battery and non-battery waste in produce. Hmm.
Why do you want this job?
When I was reading the description of this job that the company was in need of, I felt that this job was in accordance with the skills I have. I believe that my abilities, my previous experience, and my knowledge in handling battery waste can help the company.
Okay. Why should we hire you?
I know that the company certainly has capable and experienced HSE staff in their fields. However, I also know from my experience that this can be a challenge for other HSEs in work, which requires other team members to help each other in identifying potential hazards generated in the work environment, creating documents related to K3, and so on. I have more than 3 years of experience in this matter, and I believe and I'm enthusiastic that I can be involved in the company and can really help the company and HSE here.
Okay, what are your greatest strengths?
I say that the strength that stands out the most from me is that I'm a meticulous, detailed person and always want to bring out the best. I can count quickly. I'm always learning and looking for the latest information, and I'm able to communicate in English. I'm proficient in operating Microsoft Word and Excel. Besides that, I'm a punctual person and always responsible for what I do.
Okay, what do you consider to be your weakness?
I would feel stressed if what I did couldn't be done perfectly. I put too much into the task that should have been performed with other members, but I even thought of doing it on my own at times. To overcome that, I began to have more confidence in the rest of the team that we could develop together and solve this problem well together.
What do you know about us?
So on the official website PT Sinde Budi, that PT Sinde Budi Sentosa is an Indonesian-based pharmaceutical company that specializes in the production of herbal products. PT Sinde Budi Sentosa has successfully marketed its product to countries in Asia, Europe, and Africa, including Belgium, Nigeria, Saudi Arabia, Hong Kong, and South Korea. PT Sinde Budi Santosa has launched 12 internal and external medicine products. One of the most famous products is larutan penyegar, cap badak, and lasegan.
Okay, what are your salary expectations?
Based on my abilities, skills, and experience that I have, I'm asking for compensation in the range of 5 to 7 million. However, I'm open to getting into specific number once we get into the details of the position.
Where do you see yourself in 5 years?
I'm exceptionally delighted about being a part of PT Sinde Budi Santosa because in the next 5 years, I want to be an HSE manager in this company. I believe that in the next 5 years, I will be able to carry out my duties and responsibilities as an HSE manager after receiving a lot of provision from my experience as an HSE staff, which will certainly make me grow. I will achieve that goal by working hard and constantly updating myself in the process.
If you are accept, what step will you take it?
I will focus on developing myself with skills that I don't have related to this job. I will continue to learn new things. For now, I will start by making ideas and creating case documents, which will be very useful for the company.
Okay, do you have any questions?
Yes, of course. I want to ask what are the stage of recruitment after the interview and when will I be able to get the results of this interview, ma'am?
All right. After this interview, the company will check the deeper background of the job applicant. If the applicant meets the requirement, we will ask the applicant to do a medical checkup. After passing the medical checkup, the company will offer a work contract. To be able to find out the result of this interview, the company will notify you to your Gmail account in the next 6 days starting from today.
Oh, thank you, ma'am, for the explanation.
Okay, very good. That's great. Thank you so much for coming in, Hannah. It's great to meet you. As previously said, I will contact you to your Gmail in the next 6 days.
Sounds good. I look forward to it. Thanks again.
My pleasure.